Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and once again I welcome you from my IELTS masterclass. Well guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about IELTS speaking module. I'll give you some tips and techniques to deal with IELTS speaking. I know many students are frustrated with IELTS speaking because IELTS speaking is the only test which they conduct one-on-one with the examiner. And many students face problems and difficulties when it comes to speaking in front of an examiner. I've noticed some students, when they go to take their speaking test, their legs are shivering, they are nervous, heartbeat is fast, and they don't know how to answer the questions. And when you are in this type of situation, you don't focus the question, you don't even focus yourself, you don't know what's going on. That 11 to 13 minutes time that comes and goes, and after that you realize that you could answer better, but you actually did not answer. Now listen, there are two things I'm going to tell you. First of all, before the test, and second is during the test. Let's talk about some things which you can do before your speaking test. First of all, you have to make yourselves familiar with the type of questions they might ask you in IELTS speaking part 1, even part 2 and part 3. Now, for example, if you ask me, what's your favorite food? And I have never thought about my favorite food. My eyes will move and I will look here and there, my favorite food. I never thought about it. Even if you ask me, what's your favorite country? And I start thinking my favorite country, okay, I have to think about it. So this is what we call, you need to be familiar with all IELTS speaking questions, and the answers should be ready. There are two things. The first thing is, you can give a real answer. If you ask me what's your favorite food, and I say, yeah, my favorite food is this. Second is, you can give a sort of artificial answer, and that artificial answer actually answers the question very well. For example, I don't like pizzas. I hate pizzas. Okay, for example, what's your favorite food? Oh, I love pizza very much. Especially the cheesy pizza is my favorite. At least once a week, I eat large pizza with cold drink, and I really enjoy that. See that artificial answer? Right? And this artificial answer will please the examiner very much. So for each question, you need to prepare reality-based, logic-based artificial answer. Don't think, what's your favorite color? Any color you can say. Pink. My favorite color is pink. When I was small, I used to watch Pink Panther. And because of Pink Panther, once I painted myself pink as well. So I love this color a lot. See that? And I don't like pink color. And you know, this is what we say artificial answer. And this artificial answer should be smart answer to satisfy the examiner. Otherwise, you'll be thinking and all that. So first thing is, you need to go through all the questions which examiners might ask you. And second thing is, you should be familiar. Like in part 1, they're going to ask me some questions where I have to give short answer, direct answer, to the point answer. Okay, don't do this thing that they ask you a different question. Say, what's your favorite season? Seasons are very important in life. Nature has given me all the seasons, and we should enjoy the seasons. Seasons are this, seasons are that. What's the question? What's your favorite season? You should start with your answer. I always love spring season. This has been my all-time favorite. And then go on. And there should be some intensity in your answer. Whatever the question is, there should be some intensity. What is intensity? What do you like about your city? Well, actually, my city never sleeps, and this is what I like. 24/7, you can avail any opportunity. You can go to the restaurants, you can go on a long drive and eat ice cream. So the fact that my city is a live city, I like this thing very much. See that? There is some intensity in my answer. If they ask me, what don't you like about your city? Well, at the moment, my city is quite crowded, especially there are so many vehicles on the road, and because of that there are certain traffic jams. I don't like this thing. And secondly, because of traffic we've got some pollution as well. So these things I really dislike about my city. Again, there is intensity. Never answer in a flat tone. What do you like about your city? I like everything about my city. In my city there are many restaurants and I can go there and eat my favorite food and blah blah blah. See that I'm flat. What do you dislike about your city? I dislike noise in my city. Sometimes it is very noisy. There are so many vehicles on the road and they create noise, and I don't like that noise. I can't attend my phone call and all. See that? There is no intensity. There must be some excitement. For each answer there must be, you need to show this thing to the examiner, and definitely it is going to pay you in the form of good bench score. Next thing, you should be familiar with cue cards also, as there are many books and they have cue cards. So you can just collect those cue cards as well. You can get those books from there. You can get cue cards, and especially for your cue card you must see this cue card is in present, this is in past, this is in future, this is in present, past and future, and then accordingly you need to use good sentence structure. In IELTS speaking, you are always given the band score whatever you speak. If you speak plain English, now for example, if the topic is laptop, for example, in cue card the topic is laptop, and you speak, I have a laptop, it is a very good laptop, it has very good LCD, it has many keys, I use this laptop every time, it has very good battery life, it has a charger, it is also very good, it is new, it is this, it is that. Now when you speak like this, examiner will say, oh, I see, this candidate should be given 5 band only, because the way he is speaking or expressing, that is only for 5 band. But if they give you the same topic, laptop, well, in fact, I've had many laptops, but recently I bought another laptop, and that is Sony, and this laptop is quite wonderful. Luckily, I was gifted this laptop by my uncle when he returned from USA. I use this laptop almost every day, and I've got many uses of this laptop. I've got my favorite softwares there where I edit some videos, and this laptop is more like a friend because I spend 8 to 10 hours. See that? This is different. So this language, this style of speaking will give you different band score. Again, I'm telling you, examiner will give you band score whatever you speak over there. If you speak plain English, simple English with a lot of mistakes, they will give you 5, 4, 3. And if you speak good English, few mistakes, good sentence structure, no repetition, variety of words, obviously you'll be getting good bench score. And again, I'm telling you, when I say good structure and variety of words, that doesn't mean that you have to use difficult words. Difficult words used in a wrong way will bring you a very low bench score. If you try to put some words there, you say, okay, 10 words to get 7 band in IELTS, and those 10 words, if they are not relevant, if they are not related to the question, those 10 words will give you the low bench score. Examiners are very sharp. They understand now you are producing something on your own, and now you are producing something from your memory. So if you produce sentences from your memory, if you are going to say something which you crammed once and now you are trying to speak in front of the examiner, that will bring you the low bench score. So for speaking, you can practice, you can make a group with your friend also, with your friends as well, that okay, now you are the examiner, I am the candidate. So sit down and say, all right, the first question is, what is your favorite leisure activity? You answer. So this is how you can exchange the roles. Sometimes you are the examiner, he is the candidate, or he is the examiner and you are the candidate. This is how you can practice, and every time you practice, focus the question, focus the length of your answer, the way you are answering. These things are really important. That's all, guys. Thank you very much. I truly wish you all the best with your IELTS preparation, and I wish you a wonderful bench score. And whenever you get good bench score, do share your result with me. I will congratulate you. That's all. I also teach IELTS online and on campus in Lahore and online all over the world. Luckily, I've got students across the globe and I'm teaching them IELTS. So if you wish to be part of my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.